All right, Bijan, just for you, all my mechanical watches and with date change. Let's see. Number one, your favorite. Let's see here what happens. Not bad, not bad. Oh, the date changes later. Cool. All right, that's one. Next, Orient. If you could see the date. Oh, flipped over. Not bad. All right, next. Date is at the bottom here. Let's see. I don't know if it's PM right now or AM on this watch. Oh, it looks like it was AM. Oh, it started moving. Okay, next. By the way, that previous one was the Salida S200. This is also an S200. This tag. Whoa, that was beautiful. All right. Or sorry, I don't know if it's a S200, if it's a date, but it's a Salida movement. Anyway, okay, and then this is a Seiko 6R15 or something. I forget. Oh, next. Starts changing at 11 p.m. Flips over at 12. Okay. And last but not least, you got this guy here. Oh, this is gonna be AM, hopefully. Yeah. No change. Oh, yeah. Right at midnight. All right, enjoy.